The welfare of Basotho visiting or residing in South Africa has raised concerns to the government of Lesotho. In its latest cabinet sitting, Lesotho says it is worried about reports of Basotho being denied access to medical assistance and what seems to be random targeting and arrests of Lesotho citizens in the Republic.
Our appeal is that if you give a Basotho citizen a visa to be in South Africa for a period of time, this Basotho citizen would be in South Africa lawfully. That means that the citizen should access the health services because they are already in South Africa. Otherwise, what are we doing? Are we relegating them to death or what? So I think it's very important that if there are changes to, or rather, if there are conditions that we have to adhere to as the citizens who get the permits to be in South Africa, those conditions have to be clarified.
Morosi says while she believes that this might not be an official policy of government, the messages implied is rather unsettling.
It's probably just xenophobic actions by South African citizens. What prompted that, I may not know. But I think the government of South Africa has to stop that immediately.
Minister Morosi further says the cabinet is also alive to reports of Basotho randomly being targeted, some officials arresting people with valid legal and valid documents. But of more concerning is the subject of purported military training camps in South Africa.
The issue of the military camps in South Africa, I want to leave it there and say we will have to wait. If South Africa comes back and says there are no camps in South Africa, Lesotho says there are camps in South Africa, I want to leave it to the security agencies to deal with it because I really don't know what's going on. But this is what we are getting from different sources, like clips on cell phones and things like that. So I think it's between the two security officers, Lesotho and South Africa, to resolve it. But if it's something that is very sensitive, I suppose.
The government says it is in a process of sending a delegation to South Africa in an effort to find a solution to the recent and worrying concerns. I'm Rapelang Khatebe for SABC News, Masego, Lesotho.